Hello everyone, in this video we are going to see the SaaSWA chat features.
So this tab similar to the WhatsApp web application. So you can able to see first we are seeing this icon in the green color, which means live chat is enabled. In case if you receive any messages, automatically the notification will be come up. So I'm trying to send a message from my WhatsApp number to this number. See how this will going to react. So I have received the message. If we open that message, in this case customer is the one who
Initiated this message.
so without any interruption I can able to start to send any messages to this number. We can able to attach the image and video and the document, and you can able to see in the middle the template option. So if you click this one, we can able to send a template to the customer. So you can able to see I have sent a message from my mobile to this number. That's what this conversation is enabled.
If we choose any conversation which exceeded more than 24 hours, you will see a UI like this.
Send template and start conversation, which means this conversation has been exceeded for more than 24 hours. As a business, if I want to start a communication with the customer, first I have to send the template. So here I need to choose all the pre-approved template. So once I click template, then the preview appearing in the left side and the body parameters appearing in the right side. So then I can able to send this message to this customer. But in this case, customer is just pinged, right? So I have sent the messages from my personal number to here. That's what the conversation is enabled. So I can able to send a response from this one to my WhatsApp. Okay, I have received a message in my WhatsApp. There are two icons in the top, edit and filter. So if I click the edit, there are two options. One is new contact, another one is label. So if I click the new contact, so I can able to add any contact with the country code. First I have to choose the country code, then I can add the number as usual. So I just close this one. Now the second thing is label. By default it's come up with some of the labels. So if you want any labels, just click add label, and once you click add label, you can add any name you want for the label, something called new issue, and the color. So I can choose the color I want, and I just click add label. So once I click add label, in the bottom I can able to see the label has been created. In case if you want to update this label, just click edit button. So you can able to change this color, and not only the color, that label name as well. I just click cancel. If you want to label any customer, just click this down arrow, and you can able to see the first option is labeling, right? Assigns label. So I just click the new issue. So now you can see both label has been added to this conversation. And if you click same arrow again, there's something called edit contact. You can able to edit the contact name, but you can't edit the number. And third one is block contact. So if you think this is spam or anything, as per your use case, you can able to block this contact. The second icon is a filter. So you can able to filter the chats based on the unread. So I just click unread. So now you can able to see all the unread chats here. Now I am going to filter this one based on the label. So I'm going to choose the this new issue label I just created a couple of minutes before. I just click new issues. So now it's only showing the contacts which is having these labels, new issues. The last feature is I can able to search the contacts in this chat.
So now you can see I can able to filter the contacts based on the name.
And that's all for the features in the chat tab, and thank you so much.